Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for joining me. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell while you're at it so you never miss another upload. Today's video is going to be about an Influenster Vox box that I received recently in the mail. If you don't know what Influenster is, check the description box down below for my referral link. Influenster is an awesome way you can try and review products for free, and they typically send some really good products. Some of them are virtual Vox boxes where you don't actually receive a tangible item, but you can go online to complete their reviews. And the more reviews you complete successfully, the more products you're likely to receive, or the more Vox boxes you're likely to receive. Excuse this mess. I am getting home from work not too long ago. Just wanted to film a quick video for you guys because I got something that I'm really excited to try. It is the Kat Von D Pomade, Pencil, and Powder Vox box from Influenster. And this is what it looks like. Let's get that thumbnail image. So it came in this really cool box with all of these different swatches on it. And so yeah, this is supposed to be the Pomade, Pencil, and Powder Long Wear High Pigment Kat Von D Brows. Really excited to try it. Already got my brows on. You guys know I use ABH. I'm going to probably remove one or both and just see how this works. So let's open our Vox box. Ooh. Nice. That's what it looks like. It says made with love, not animals, hashtag cruelty free. So the first thing in my box is this neat little card. And it says to each their own brow. New pomade, pencil, and powder. Same thing it says on the front. So inside it gives you your shade guide. So yeah, they have 16 shades. So based on this chart here, you should be able to find which shade is best for you. So given the options that Influenster gave me before I got this box, I chose medium brown, and that's what we should be getting. Oh, nice. So they give you the pomade brow brush, and it says, oh, it just says Kat Von D. And then I have the super 24-hour brow long wear pomade in this box. So this is kind of going to be my first impressions product review. It says it's waterproof also, you guys. Oh, the container is cute. So it's similar. So this is my ABH Cosmetics one. And this is the Kat Von D one. And it's really pretty and textured, and it just has her initials on it. And again, this color is in medium brown. Looking to see if it had a smell. You know how some products have a smell to them, but it doesn't. So I'm really curious to see what this brush looks like, because I have been using a Japanese brush that was actually like an eyebrow, not an eyebrow, it was like an eyeliner brush, but to me it had been working perfect for my brows, so I've been using that. But this is actually a brush specifically for your pomade. I had no idea this product was even coming out. I don't know. I don't keep up with that stuff anymore. Really, that's why my channel has kind of ventured out into other things as well, because I just don't keep up with like the latest makeup products and everything. But this is the brush. It's really sleek and tapered, and it just has Kat Von D's initials at the bottom again, and it's an angled brush. The brush feels like it's really good material, really good fibers, quality. So it's not too thick. Let's see how this goes. I'm just going to try to apply it the way I normally apply. I'm going to bring you guys in a little bit. So the way I normally apply my ABH one And I guess I should take off some of my brow first. I'm going to leave one on. So this is Anastasia Beverly Hills on the left side. And I'm going to take this one off so we can see if there's a real difference. Anastasia is the brow queen. So let's see how much of a difference we have with this product on. I'm just going to take a spoolie and kind of make sure I get my eyebrows going back in the right direction. I know I look rough, you guys. Like I said, I've been at work all day, so excuse it. And I'm just going to go ahead and dip into the pomade, which feels maybe a little bit creamier than Anastasia when you dip it in. You know, Anastasia has a little bit more of a stiffness to it, a little bit more of a thickness to the cream. And this seems to, as soon as I tapped into it, make a dent. So, oh yeah. So definitely don't need much because it's going on pretty intense. But the brush is really making the strokes really precise. I do like that. I don't know if I either got too dark of a color or I just applied it a little heavy-handedly. You guys let me know. I'm going to try to brush through it in a minute. It just seems kind of dark to be a medium brown. But again, that could be me. Anastasia Kat Von D. But then again, I feel like that is typical Kat Von D, a little bit more of a bolder, in your face, edgier look. And I kind of like it. I like either way. The more lighter, natural look, and I do like this more intense look as well. So let me just finish. We're good. Just gonna wipe this brush off. So I didn't apply too much because not a lot of product wiped off. Let me show you. This is what wiped off the brush, and it wasn't a lot. Nothing else is coming off. So it's just a really pigmented brown. I'm just going to run the spoolie back through it one more time to make sure the color is evenly applied. I don't know, you guys, what do you think? Like, I kind of like it. Like I said, I like both looks. So whether it's more of a bold, intense look, I think I'd probably do a more simple makeup look when I have the the Kat Von D pomade on. I don't know. I'm kind of confused though because it said pomade, powder, and brush. Maybe it just says powder because they also will have a powder in her new line, but this is just the pomade that was given for the review. I like it. Like I said, I can see myself probably doing a more natural, simple look when I wear that pomade versus the ABH pomade. But then again, if I'm feeling more daring, which is rare, I'd probably do something more drastic and dramatic with this brow. But I really like it because I feel like if you didn't have time to do your makeup and you needed to go out barefaced pretty much, or just with some mascara on and a lip tint, you know, and some bare concealer or something, you could really pull off this eyebrow, this intense eyebrow. So it's a thumbs up for me. I really like it. If you guys, again, want to try Influenster, look in the description box down below. And really quick, let me look up and see how much this pomade is going to be running and the brush, and I'll give you some prices. Let's find out. Okay, you guys, so I actually went on to, I googled the product and Kat Von D's site popped up, and this is the brow pomade, and it's actually, it retails at $19. And it is supposed to be a bold look, so there's that. It's supposed to be budge proof. Oh, I'm running my fingers over it and I don't have any product transfer, so that's accurate. Okay, Kat Von D, I like it. It says, let's see, well, it is waterproof. Kat Von D stretched the boundaries of innovative to create the weightless waterproof formula she's always wanted but hasn't been able to find. saturated with as much pigment as possible. This high pigment brow pomade delivers budge-proof, smudge-proof, sweat-proof, which is great for all of my ladies that like to exercise and are worried about wiping off a brow or swimming. Oh, I love it. I love it. Great. I never looked at this. I just like to kind of give my authentic, genuine first impression of something, then kind of like look and see what I was supposed to be experiencing, and I like it. So there are 16 shades. I guess that's why all the colors were on the box, because there are 7 natural brow tones and then 7 artistic colors, like white out for mixing and customizing, and bleach for a bleached look. So the pomade brush, the brush I use to apply it, actually retails for $18, and that's brush number 70. It does have a 70 on the back of the brush. So that's brush number 70, the pomade brush, brow brush, $18. So guys, I think it's awesome. Thank you so much to Influenster, Kat Von D. Thank you, Influenster, for sending me this product to review. I love it. 2 thumbs up for me. You guys definitely check it out on Kat Von D's website. It's available and in stock now. It looks like everything is in stock, so definitely don't miss out on this great product. I'm going to continue to wear it. I'll let you know if anything changes, any updates or whatever, but I'm really feeling this brow, this bold brow. So thanks again to Influenster. If you guys have any questions, leave me comments down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, share it, and I'll see you guys very soon.